Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the electromagnetic waves. So how electromagnetic waves which are the generated that we have to discuss in this video. Also we have to discuss about the Hertz experiments to understand how the electromagnetic waves which are the generated. So as we know that in previous video we discuss about the displacement करंट सो जो हमारा जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट जो प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है जनरेट हो रहा है विच इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विच आर द जनरेटेड अराउंड दैट positive plate capacitor as well as the negative plate capacitor, and because of that reasons electric field which are the positive to the negative, and because of that reasons there is the deflection into the magnetic needle, so which is so that there is a presence of the displacement current. Today we have to discuss about the how electromagnetic wave which are the produced. So according to the Maxwell, the accelerated charges which are the produces the electromagnetic waves. मतलब मैक्सवेल ने क्या बताया हुआ है कि जो हमारा जो चार्जेस है which are the accelerated जो होता है the वो एक्सेलरेटेड चार्ज के वजह से हमारे इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स विच आर द जनरेटेड. सो व्हेन चार्ज विच आर द ऑसिलेटिंग विद सम फ्रीक्वेंसी, मतलब क्या है कि हमारा जो चार्ज है विच इज हैविंग समथिंग frequency, it produces the electric as well as the magnetic field into the space. So in previous video we discuss about वहाँ पे कैपेसिटर था, कैपेसिटर पॉजिटिव प्लेट था, अनदर वन नेगेटिव प्लेट था, उसके बीच में एक गैप थी. वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था, गैप थी तो भी वहाँ पे क्या जनरेट हो रहा था, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेट हो रहा था, एंड वहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक नीडल का जो डिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा था वो दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट current. So over here also they are showing that according to Maxwell observations, when the charge which are the oscillating with some frequency, it produces the electric field as well as the magnetic field into the space. So when this phenomena which is the repeated, the electric as well as the magnetic field which are also propagates in the space which are called as a electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves which is having the electric fields as well as the magnetic fields, and this electric as well as the magnetic field which are the perpendicular to the each other. So according to our Hertz experiment, understand the electromagnetic waves, it is very easy to understand how the electromagnetic wave which are the generated and how it will be transmitted. So as shown into the figure, we have to consider about the Hertz experiment to understand how the electromagnetic wave which are the generated as well as how it is the transmitted into the space. So as shown in figure, the copper or a zinc plate that we have to consider. With the copper plate or a zinc plate we have to attach the metal rod we can see into the figure. Then after we have to give the supply using the induction coil, and then we have to connect all the circuit as shown into the figure, as well as over here ring which is nothing but which is our detector we can say. Okay, so होगा क्या अभी कि जब हम सप्लाई देंगे तब बिटवीन दिस स्पेस ये जो रॉड है उसके रॉड के साथ में स्पीयर है, स्पीयर के बीच में थोड़ी सी जगह है. सप्लाई जैसे ही हम इंक्रीज करेंगे बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजंस यहाँ पे स्पीयर है, वहाँ पे गैप है, वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेट होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेट होगा, और साथ साथ में एज वी डिस्कस दैट देयर इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑल्सो. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेट हो रहा है एज वेल एज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट हो रहा है, बोथ आर द perpendicular to the each other. After this successful experiment of the Hertz, our Indian scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose, which are the working at the Kolkata, which are the producing as well as the observing the electromagnetic wave of very much shorter wavelength, we can say as a 25 mm to the 5 mm. And during the same timing, Italian scientist Marconi was successfully set up this experiment, and he is sending the electromagnetic waves to the several miles. That means these generated electromagnetic waves we can say as a signal which can be transmitted over the several miles. So this is all about the electromagnetic waves which are the generated and how it can be produced.